With 3 amazing floor plans, there's something for everyone to love in the Magnitude. Looking for a tilt-a-view king bed? You got it in the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan, the Magnitude SV34.
You are going to visit some wonderful destinations in your Magnitude SV34. Wherever you want to go, the navigation system will find your route, and the Ford Sync system will entertain with AppLink, Bluetooth connectivity, and steering wheel controls. The 3-camera selectable mirror with audio, Mobileye collision and lane departure warning system keeps you safe, and smart charging keeps your gadgets full. The Ford F550 with the 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8 lays down 330 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque, so loading up the 10,000-pound hitch is never a problem. When you arrive, you have a great living area to call home, campsite, your dream dinette, or kick back on this comfortable sofa. The Magnitude has the entertainment options you want in an RV. Look at this TV with Blu-ray player, or check out this amazing entertainment center. If you want natural light, the powered Skyview shade over the large bunk delivers. Great meals are easy to make in this well-equipped kitchen. You have a large double-bowl stainless steel sink set into solid surface countertops, dual-burner gas cooktop with single-burner induction cooktop, and the Magnitude comes standard with a convection microwave and residential fridge. In the bathroom, you'll find your shower with glass door and skylight, stainless steel sink, and all the storage you could ask for in a bathroom. The bedroom in the SV34 promises a great night's sleep with the tilt-a-view king bed. Next to your large wardrobes, this nightstand with USB charging center, up above your TV. The app-controlled multiplex wiring system is where you can set your auto gen start, adjust the climate on your ceiling ducted ACs, control your slides, check your tank levels, and because it is app-enabled, all the same features on the full-color touchscreen can be controlled on your favorite mobile device. And when you want a safe, secure internet connection, the Wi-Fi Ranger comes standard and the SV34 is prepped for solar. No matter where you wind up, the Magnitude is ready for adventure. You have large storage bays, a power patio with LED lighting, a TV with soundbar on a swivel, exterior kitchen, and a quick connect propane connection. So choose your destination. Let me rephrase, destinations, because the Magnitude is ready to take you everywhere. This is the Magnitude SV34. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.